What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We're doing the serial filler break for the Cup. It's going to be for Ottawa, Islanders, and Panthers. Everybody's going to get a serial number. We'll go down here and go live. We are live at 2:27. It is just turned 2:28. So, guys, we got the names list and we got the numbers list. I'm just going to do the third timestamp on both. We're going 3 randoms on each list. Let me pull up the numbers real quick. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. We got Mr. Chase on top, David on the bottom. That is in at 2:28. 2:28. And for the numbers, 1, 2, and 3. 0 on top, 4 on the bottom. Oh, not doing that first. That is in at 2:29. 2:29. I will take this list. Drop that right there. And this list. And drop that right there. Chase, you got 0. David, you got all the 101s. Miro, 5. Yoni, 6. Kirk, 3. Chase, 8. Marty, 2. Eric, 9. David, 7 and 4.